What's up, guys? So here we come, coming through on another adventure. We're coming to check out Aling waterfall. You park your bike down at the parking area, pay a ticket to come in, hire a guide, and takes you up to through a little town and through this beautiful jungle to the waterfall. It's about a 10-minute walk. Hopefully it doesn't rain on us. We're hearing some thunder in the background. But check out this green, all this green. How many, my friend, how many swimming pools they have here?
Three.
Three.
Waterfall. You can
and then one
activity like sliding, waterfall, jump.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So there's actually three like natural swimming pools from the waterfall that you could slide in, jump in, and there's also the hot spring. So right now we're just doing the trek through, and we shall be there shortly. But there's a bunch of little shops on the side as you walk through. If you want to buy coffee, beer, whatever, some little shops selling clothes as you walk in. Oh, look at this. Check this out. The nature. See all this nature? It's nice to see this stuff, especially when you come from the city like me, you know? You don't really see too much nature besides the parks. With this right here, natural nature. And tomorrow, I'm actually gonna be off-grid for like 2 days, going camping, solo camping, to go do some more nature stuff. So I will be vlogging that as well, but nothing will be uploaded until we get to until I get back to civilization. พี่น้องมื้อนี้เขาว่ามาเล่นตาดซื้อตัวนี้เขาเอิ้นอลิงต้องย่างเข้ามา10 นาทียามหลายอยู่นี่มีดอกไม้มี fuck, I forgot how to say tree in Lao. Anyways, but เขามีแนวน้ำอยู่นี่3 อันกับเขามีน้ำห้อน hot spring วะคนลาวเอิ้น hot spring แบบน้ำห้อนวะน้ำห้อน is hot water. Anyways, จักหน่อยสิฮอดแล้วสิฮอดและลินตาดเลยสิให้พี่น้องเบิ่งโอเคฮอดแล้วพี่น้องเบิ่งเด้ออยู่นี่ก็ขี่สไลด์ก็ได้เล่นเห็นบ่เขาใส่ You can slide right here into the waterfall. Look at this. Ende, คนสิไปแล้วนี่เอ้ย เพิ่นค่อยสิขี่สไลด์เนี่ยจะต้องใส่เสื้อ I said, if I'm gonna do the slide, I definitely need a life vest. I'm a little bit scared. Don't want to drown. If I'm gonna die, I don't want to die by drowning. But check it. Oh, เห็นเขาขี่สไลด์นะเบิ่งแบบม่วนหลายเปิดให้กัน When they're on the slide, man, that looks so much fun. Makes me want to do it too, which I am gonna do it. But where did they get the life vest at?
Over there, I think.
Oh, right there. Kong free, ba? Life vest, Kong free, ba?
Are you going?
Huh? I'm down. Oh yeah. Oh, about to jump in there. Wait for me.
Yeah.
What, like this? Oh!
I didn't realize how far of a jump it was. I was like, oh shit! This whole
Thank you.
Good job, babe.
Yeah, you can stand up right here, fine.
Yeah, big one. These water shoes are mine.
Yeah? Hello. How are you?
I'm good.
Good, man. Good. Okay. It is? Yep. Got your back! That thing slipped out of my hand when I hit the water. I didn't get to record you guys. Okay guys, I don't know if you can hear me, but this time I'm going down the waterfall face first. Can I go this way? Yeah.
Sit down from you.
Yeah. Okay. Tell you it. Yeah, good now? Okay. 2, 3. You go first. Okay, I go then. Let's go. I didn't know you were gonna do a backflip. Okay, oh my god, this one's even higher.
Oh God. No. Oh. That's crazy.
Are you gonna jump?
No. No, I'm too scared. So when you come to BC, we'll take you to some of the cliff jumps. They're higher than that.
I don't know if I want to go higher
In
than that.
glacier water.
I don't know if I want to go higher than that. Thank you. You're next! Come on! Are you going? Are you gonna go next? You kind of hit it sideways? Yeah, same. A little bit. Woo! Woo! She hit her ass too. You alright? Wow, that was so much fun. I thought it was just 3 swimming like pools in the waterfall, but it was like you jump like into the water. And the first one's the shortest one. I thought the first one would have been the shortest one, but the next 2 just kept getting higher and higher and higher. And that's the highest I've ever jumped off of like into water before. I thought the one I did in Portugal was pretty high, but this one, the one I just did, the last one, that one was actually pretty damn high. And I hurt my ass on that one because I kind of like fell in sideways, and the impact on the water like kind of hurt. But oh, look at this walk. Right now we're heading to the top of the main waterfall, see what it looks like, take some pictures. Yeah, but super fun. This was an unexpected adrenaline rush fun waterfall. พี่น้องเคยว่าอยู่นี่คิดว่ามันลอยน้ำซื่อๆมันลินตาดลอยน้ำซื่อๆอยู่นี่โดดใส่น้ำก็ได้เขามี3 อันตัวหนึ่งก็ตัวสั่นยังสูงอยู่แบบตัวสั่นแต่ตัว2ก็สูงอีกแต่ตัว3ก็สูง the most โอ้ข่อยโดดน้ำแล้วก็ห้องก็กากอีกอุ้ย ม่วนหลายอู้ม่วนหลายนี่อย่างนี้อีกโอ้เบิ่งนี่
Last time around
Wow.
3 weeks ago, yeah, the someone went up there and took it over there, and then he fall down. Yeah. And after that, the rock fall and hit in the leg.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not in it, พี่น้อง นี่นี่ก็บาลีอินโดนีเซียน้ำยามไหล
Hit in the leg.
But yes, we're making our way up to the main waterfall and see what it looks like. So I'll check back on you guys in a quick second. Ooh, ปลาทีโตพี่น้องมาห่อเลยตัดตัวนี้I don't thinkลอยน้ำอย่างนี้บ่ได้เบิ่งแม่ Take a look, guys. We just made it here to the main waterfall. Take a look at this. Beautiful. My God. What a time to be alive. Thank you. I'm so humbled and blessed to be able to see this and experience this. Have fun in these waters. Thank you so much. Thank you so much to the man above for allowing me to be here. Anyways, oh my God, พี่น้อง oh my God คนก็มีแต่ว่า oh my God นี่ มวนหลายเลย oh you know what I need a thumbnail but yeah, up here, just come take your photos and scattalon-do. You can't swim in here. Oh, can you? Actually, I don't know. But you come over here, take your photos, and skedaddle. So, our tour guide just showed us a photo. So basically, some guy took a photo here. He climbed up the rocks a little bit, took a cool photo as he came down. This rock right here, as he came down, he slipped and fell, and then this rock fell after him, and it severed his freaking leg from here down. Oh my God.
I thought you said when it I thought it just cut him. Yeah. I thought it cut him, not cut him. Just right up.
So basically that rock right there just shattered, brute force severed his leg. The tour guide just showed us the video and that was freaking gross.
I know before my friend called when we were talking, someone like this, and now you can take pictures and the group and send a group. Oh my God, I bring the statue down there for the ambulance. Oh.
So he said when he heard the story from his friend who's another tour guide, I don't know when this happened. I don't know when this happened, but he was like, oh, we don't believe it. He's like, send a video and a picture into their group chat, and he did, and he just showed us. So that's wild.
He walked down here on his severed leg to the water.
So he must have sat right there in the video. That's why he was sitting then.
Yeah.
Holy smokes. Oh, พี่น้องค่อยว่าอยู่หันที่เห็นว่าที่หินตัวหันมีคนมาถ่ายรูปอยู่หันเพิ่นclimb. How do you say climb? I forgot how to say climb now. But anyways, เพิ่นถ่ายรูปอยู่หันแต่ขี้หินมันตกใส่ขาเพิ่นแล้วก็ขาเพิ่นก็ตัดขี้หินตัดขาเพิ่น Oh my God. ทัวร์ไกด์เขาก็ให้เบิ่งรูปหรือเบิ่งวิดีโอให้เพิ่นถูกเจ็บนะมีแต่เลือดออก Oh my God. But anyways, we're finished here with aling waterfall. We are now heading to go to a hot spring. We gotta drive there though. I don't know the name of the hot spring yet. I gotta get up to the scooter so we can get some service. But onwards to the hot spring, then back home to eat the mahi fish that I caught this morning. But anyways, this place was super fun. You guys should come check it out. I'll leave it down in the description box with the address and all that good stuff. But gonna cut it short here till we get to the hot spring. So see you in a second.